Do you want the axiom as well? Triangle axiom.
It's all fine, Biff.
Yeah, I
For
didn't think you
Euclidean
would.
geometry, yes. All nice straight lines.
Well, that's what it is, right? In
No, this is
reality, we
spherical.
use
This is
Euclidean.
spherical trig and spherical
No, that's
geometry.
it.
It's not
Have
the
you
same
heard of a
thing.
sphere? It's
There's
a
a whole world full of
three-dimensional
stuff out here that
Euclidean
you don't know
shape.
about. This just happens to be one of those things.
Blue, have you heard of a three-dimensional Euclidean shape called a sphere? You might have heard of it within Euclidean geometry, because there is no definition for a sphere in spherical geometry, is there?
Really?
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. How
Let's
do you
fact check
have a
that.
sphere in spherical geometry, Blue? How do you do that?
Oh, check this out. Euclid's
I
elements.
believe it's implied in the name of it.
Euclid's Euclid's
That was
elements.
a pretty weak answer.
Yeah.
Definition number 15. The axis of a sphere is a straight line which remains fixed and about which the semicircle is turned.
Mm-hmm.
Euclid's definition 15.
Yeah.
What book?
That's a three-dimensional shape, right?
6.
Book
Six.
11.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Book 11. Yep.
Yep.
Absolutely.
So what's the?
Oh.
What are the first two definitions in that book?
I'm only. It only. The one I'm looking at only shows. I'm at 14. I don't see anything before that.
Oh, right. It says length, breadth, and height, thickness. That's the three dimensions, and then it says the surface is that which bounds it.
Now give us the definition within spherical geometry for a sphere.
Yep.
It keeps getting bounced between 2D and 3D.
Mm-hmm.
So who's correct? Which one?
Well,
is
give
correct?
us the definition within spherical geometry of a sphere, please.
Cool.
Spherical geometry is the geometry
I think yeah.
of a two-dimensional surface of a sphere.
Okay. So
Conceptual.
what's a sphere then? In that.
In this context, the word sphere refers only to the two-dimensional surface. Other terms like ball or solid sphere are used for the surface together. It's three-dimensional interior.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the one I posted earlier. Yep, that's a good one.
Of the Euclidean shape then, right?
So in that case, we don't live on a sphere, we live on a solid sphere.
Euclidean,
That's right.
three-dimensional sphere, right? So you have to use Euclidean geometry, not spherical.
No, you get to use spherical geometry.
How does that work?
It's
It's not very logical thinking you guys got going on.
So who's correct? Are you guys correct?
Yeah.
Or is the rest of geometry correct?
What do you mean? Geometry?
Yeah, we're correct.
So there's no such thing as spherical geometry?
Go on, what's your definition of a square?
That's okay. They don't understand it.
Using Euclid's postulates in their fullest
Just
form.
give us your definition of a square
Now
in
we're breaking down.
spherical geometry, will you?
No point in going any further with this.
Yeah, it's cool.
Come on,
It's
B-ball.
just simple denial.
Just give
Get
us
any
a
answers
quick
you
square.
go,
A
Dan.
quick square. Come on, B-ball.
Have you rewritten the books, Bev?
I'd
Should
like you
should
to
we all go with you?
just send
With your
us.
definitions?
Just give us the definition of a square in spherical geometry for us.
I don't think that. What's the point of that question?
It would show us what you know about your spherical geometry that you want to claim.
A square.
Yeah,
A square or a solid square?
a square. Just a square.
See, this is the part where when they say you don't understand, but we do because we've looked into this and
Yeah, you
read
do.
quite a bit about
No.
it.
You do, but you deny parts of geometry. That's the problem.
Give us the
Parts of
definition of a square, please, B-ball. Go on.
It's a lot more complicated in spherical,
Don't be stalling.
isn't it, Biff?
Pardon?
It says spherical geometry is not complicated.
Because you know, if you want to define a square as an object that has only 90-degree internal angles,
Uh-huh.
square in spherical geometry could have 3 sides, 4 sides, or 5 sides.
What?
What?
Sure about that?
No way.
By the
Absolutely.
way, I didn't mean a solid square. I meant a solid cube.
Absolutely.
Let's give us the definition then of a square. Come on,
A
because
square on the surface of a sphere could have 3 sides, 4 sides, or 5 sides.
all right, a 3 or
you
4 or
define
5-sided
square
shape.
As having only 90-degree internal angles.
Right. Okay. Anything else?
Now, if you want to define it otherwise,
Yeah.
if you want to say it's a 4-sided together,
Yeah.
only works in
So
plane
the problem
geometry.
is,
So,
we pull up these definitions. But
if you
guys
can have
deny,
a
you
great,
guys agree with certain definitions, but you deny other ones.
if you have a great circle, right? If you divide that into 4, could you call that a square?
No, you connect.
That'd be
you can
4
connect
straight
them,
lines
you scan it.
connected together with an angle.
Oh,
in
Alien
between.
has posted it right there.
A
That
4-sided shape.
little GIF he's got going on.
It's funny, in his book of the elements, he
Here's
calls
a
it
square.
line.
Circle geometry. 3 sides. All
Hey,
the
man.
angles are 90 degrees. There's only
Yep.
3 of them.